Hello children, I welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to learn about numbers. In this video, we shall learn to count the numbers from 1 to 5 and also we shall learn how to write the numbers, and we'll do some activity based on numbers. Now let us start without waiting. Now children, we shall learn numbers using our fingers. Now I want you all to show your finger as shown in the picture and say the number aloud. Come on children, get ready. Show me your pointer finger and say 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now how many fingers do we have in our hand? We have 5 fingers. Now let us do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's good. That's great children. You have learnt the numbers from 1 to 5. Now let us learn how to write the numbers. Now children, be ready, get a paper and a pencil.
Children, now I am going to teach you how to write numbers from 1 to 5. Now let me start teaching you with number 1. Here you can see number 1. To write number 1, we need a standing line. Hope you all know how to write a standing line. Now take your pointer finger and trace the number 1. 1. 1. 1. 1 sun. It is very simple, right? Now let us write number 1 in the boxes here. 1. 1. 1. 1. Hope you all learned how to write 1. Children, the next number we are going to learn is number 2. 1 after number 2. Now, what do we need for writing number 2? We need a curve and a sleeping line. Take your pointer finger and start tracing with me. Curve, sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. Now this makes number 2. 2 apples. 2 apples. Now let us write number 2 in the boxes here. As I told you before, we need a curve and a sleeping line, isn't it? Now let's start writing number 2. Curve, sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. And that's it. We have learned how to write number 2. Children, the next number we are going to learn is number 3. For writing number 3, we need a curve. Take your pointer finger. Let us start tracing the number 3. Curve and a curve. Again, curve and a curve. One more time, curve and a curve, and this makes number 3. Now here you can see balls, isn't it? Shall we count how many balls are here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many balls are there? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Now let us write number 3 in the boxes here. Number 3, curve and a curve. Can you see the number 3 here? We will write one more time. Curve and a curve. Curve and a curve makes 3. Curve and a curve makes 3. The next number we are going to learn is number 4. For writing number 4, we need a standing line, a sleeping line, and a standing line. Now take your pointer finger, children. Let's start tracing the number 4. Standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line makes number 4. We'll do one more time. Standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line makes number 4. Can you see the flowers here? Yes. Shall we count the flowers? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 flowers here. 4 flowers. Now let's start writing number 4. For writing number 4, we need a standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line makes number 4. Again, standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line. 4. One more time. Standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line. 4. The last. Standing line, sleeping line, and a standing line gives you number 4. The next number we are going to learn is number 5. Shall we start now? For writing number 5, we need a standing line, a curve, and a sleeping line. Now take your pointer finger, trace with me. Standing line, curve, and a sleeping line gives you 5. One more time. Standing line, curve, and a sleeping line. Number 5. Once again, standing line, curve, and a sleeping line makes number 5. Now can you see the little cute ducks here? Children, shall we count to know how many little ducks are here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, we have 5 little ducks here. Now let us write number 5. How to write number 5? Yes, we need a standing line, curve, and a sleeping line. Yes, we've got 5 here. We'll write one more time. Standing line, curve, and a sleeping line makes 5. Standing line, curve, and a sleeping line makes line, curve and a sleeping line makes 5. Children, now you have learned how to write numbers from 1 to 5.
Now it's activity time. Now let us do some exercises based on the numbers. Count and circle the correct number. Yes. Now what can you see on the screen? It is a Christmas tree. Now children, can you tell me how many trees are there? 1. We have 1 Christmas tree. And now what we are going to do is we are going to circle the correct number. Now children, where is the number 1? Yes, you are right. What are these? These are yummy mangoes. Now shall we count how many mangoes are here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many mangoes are here? We have 3 mangoes. Now children, show me where is number 3? Correct. This is number 3. Wow. Beautiful caps. Now let us count the number of caps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many caps are here? We have 5 caps. Now show me the number 5 here. Which one is number 5? Here we have. This is number 5. Colorful umbrellas. Now count with me. 1, 2. How many umbrellas we have? We have 2 umbrellas. Now show me the correct number. Where is number 2? Here is number 2. That's great, children. Next we have beautiful roses. Now let us start counting the roses. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 roses. Now where is number 4? Yes, here is number 4. Hope you all understood well and you have enjoyed the video. I will meet you all soon in the next video. Until then, thank you. Bye.